Adata moved its production over to 3D NAND and revamped its entire product line just a few months after it released its most aggressive portable SSD lineup in history. Many of the new products retain similar names and model numbers, but the SD700 emerges as a new product with rugged specifications. The era of planar, 2D, NAND is over unless you buy an SSD with Toshiba NAND, but that will end soon, too. Micron cranked up its 3D NAND production, and now third-party SSD manufacturers have trouble securing older 2D flash. The 2D spigot isn't completely shut off, but most older 2D designs serve guaranteed supply contracts and are destined for specialty components, such as the auto industry. 3D will join the likes of stereophonic, color, surround sound, and 4K. These are all technologies that were buzzwords at one time or another but quickly became standard. By next year, 3D NAND will not be an option or even a bullet point on a specification sheet. Between now and 2018, though, many products will feature, say it with a repeating echo, 3D NAND. We've actually had 3D NAND for many years, but it only came in Samsung products. Samsung paved the way and taught us that the technology increases endurance over modern planar, 2D, NAND. It also resets the lithography clock in many cases, which gives companies a new path to innovate for increased performance and reduced price. Adata based many of its new portable products on the ultimate SU800 2.5-inch SSD we tested in a desktop and notebook environment. The base drive uses a modern controller loaded with advanced technologies designed to prolong endurance and sustain high transfer speed. For several years, aging technology cobbled together to drain leftover NAND stock plagued the portable SSD category. This year, companies got serious about making external SSDs as advanced as what's inside the beige box. The Adata SD700 utilizes the Silicon Motion Incorporated SMI SM2258 controller paired with Micron's 384GB TLC 3D NAND. The combination leaves us with some interesting raw capacities. You get access to 256GB of data capacity, but there is 288GB of raw NAND inside the case. Adata programmed the extra space for SLC writes, background operations and wear leveling. The larger the drive, the more space there is to write data to the SLC programmed area. All three capacities share the same performance specifications but offer different real-world performance, especially when you transfer large amounts of data. For what it's worth, the SD700 series reads sequential data up to 440 MB per second and writes sequential data at 430 MB per second. Your mileage may vary, though. Going beyond the speeds and feeds, the SD700 has an IP68 rating. This is one of the highest IP ratings we've seen on a portable SSD. Most of the products we've tested have an IP65 rating. The ratings quantify the water resistance level. IPX5 provides splash resistance, but IPX8 offers total resistance during immersion up to a specific depth. The IP6X portion denotes dust resistance. In this case, the products are completely resistant to the ingress of fine dust particles. We should note that the SD700, and the other portable SSDs we've tested, are only certified for these conditions with a door or some type of blocking device installed.